Hello, and welcome to the explanation for your Unit 4 sketchbook assignment. For your Unit 4 sketchbook assignment, you will be completing a selfie mood board inspired and informed by the Unit 4 lecture. A mood board is just a way to collect and examine your ideas for a specific project. For our mood board, we're actually going to have some guidelines to help us organize. So within your selfie mood board, you have registers that I want you to create with very specific visual information that goes in each one. So in the first one, you're going to take a selfie with asymmetrical balance. So a selfie with asymmetrical balance. In the next box, you're going to have a texture selfie. So texture, pattern, something that is made and composed of the items that you enjoy looking at. The next, you're going to find a natural object and photograph it or draw it with symmetrical balance. For the next box, you're going to fill it in with a 1-point perspective space. It could be an actual space or imagine space. Now, I showed you a lot of video game examples, so if that's something you like, go ahead, take a pause the game, and redraw what you see. The next box is going to be a close-up of your favorite object. Now, I want this to be so close that we really can't tell what the object is, but we can see the textures or patterns that make up the sides or edges of that object. And the last will be continuity, an image of an object or an image that you create that connects all the other images that you've selected. So the materials is you can use one color, definitely, but you can use wet or dry media, and this could be digital or analog. The only really solid requirement is that you must use the template to organize your images. So they have to be organized in that very specific way I just described. So feel free to pause, rewind, and re-look at the directions in the template. So let's talk about how to prepare. Step 1, I want you to take a look around you or in your most favorite space. This could be something in your mind. This can also be an actual or imagined or created space. And I want you to ask the question below, and then write your response in your sketchbook. What types of visual imagery do you collect or enjoy seeing? I have a few examples below, but they're not limited. The list is endless to what you visually enjoy to see. Step 2, I want you to collect these images and photographs of objects that you want to use on your mood board. That includes taking your selfie, collecting pictures either from your own camera reel or taking new pictures, and collecting all of these objects that you want to use. And remember, directions are a guide, so try to use them. Step 3, you're going to organize your images before you collage them into your sketchbook. So organize them, lay them out, figure out what fits where, and take a couple photos of the steps that you choose before you actually glue them down. And you can upload that for extra points in your assignment as well. Once you've done those 3 steps, you're going to collage or step, not coolage, but it is cool to collage. You're going to collage or sketch your selections in the appropriate boxes according to the template. So the selfie with asymmetrical balance, the textured selfie, the natural object with symmetrical balance, your 1-point perspective, your close-up favorite object, and the continuity image that connects it all. And you can draw this one or paint it, digital or analog. Something I want you to think about in this time is neatness and presentation. So we're getting to the point, we're halfway through. I want you to start thinking about neatness and presentation, which become very important as you continue in your creative career. So in the image here, in the video I have, you see that he's using a brush to actually glue the actual pieces together. That way you don't get glue all over everything, and they're also putting glue right there on the edges, so the edges are not flipping up and down. So neatness and presentation will be really important for this particular assignment. So once you're all done, you'll take your photo, take your photo in good light, like daylight or putting in extra light. So just to make sure I can see what you've created, you're going to upload that to Canvas and then make sure that you are responding. So you'll upload the image as well to the discussion thread and respond to the work of your classmates. So a lot of you are missing some points in that area, and I don't want that to be a reason why you don't get the grade that you desire. So make sure that you're responding on the discussion discussion board, and make sure that it's one comment per image. One comment per image. All right, so good luck. I'm looking forward to seeing your assignments.